locked in today as Subject 1!
Yeah.
I'll be assisting you with your romantic relationships as best as I can.
Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's? I say don't look back, but I go right back and all of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna walk away, you turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this, so you know how to
Can't believe I'm on my first day!
turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body
You kicked me out now?
around, you got me in a tight grip. You know how to just
You miss me!
do you love it when you keep
You're
me
twisted.
What is your problem?
leave me
What's going on here, Riri?
but I can't stay mad.
Oh, I get it. You were hoping to get to see
Why you always
this
wanna
version of
act
me,
like
huh?
lovers, but you never wanna be each other's?
You're completely clueless about humans!
But I go right back and all of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny.
I'm done talking to anyone without a heart. Get out!
You turn me on
Without my
like a light
magic,
switch.
I'm useless.
Your body around
And don't ever change, okay? I love you.
You know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch. When you move your body around, you got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, and show me how you do. You want to keep me
Lots of kissing and cuddle.
Goodbye, Anzu.
Hang on! What do you mean they can't come back to this world?
The higher-ups thought Riri developed feelings for Anzu that went beyond the professional bounds.
What is it?
How dare you disappear on me like that!
Thank you. You left before I could say it, moron. So what is it you want? I'm asking you, Riri, what do you want to do?
Anzu, what I want is to be here by your side!
Stay with me, it's that easy.
Okay.
What if I told you there's a 0.00001% chance that I fall for Rio, making him my potential mate? I'm not cooperating with your project, and I'm not losing this game.
You've done good, but my cuteness is hard to compete with. Plus, we've already kissed twice.
Do something about your mouth, or I will.
Ooh, right here in front of everyone, are you sure?